Tire repairers and changers keep vehicle tires rolling in good condition. Vehicle tires may be damaged by sharp objects, worn down by use, or need to be changed for seasonal road conditions. Tire repairers and changers use a hydraulic lift to elevate a vehicle for access to the wheels, then remove the wheels to perform the necessary maintenance. If a tire change is all that's needed, tire changers pull off the old tire and reassemble the wheel with a new tire, inflating it to the proper pressure level. For damaged tires, repairers inspect tires and inner tubes and remove items like nails or screws that have punctured the rubber, patch any holes, and then replace the tire. Working with vehicles and power tools presents some risk of injuries in the field, but following safety practices can eliminate most of the risk. Tire repairers and changers typically work more than 40 hours a week at positions in tire shops, car dealerships, and auto service garages. Tire repairers and changers typically need a high school diploma. They use technical skills learned on the job or through technical training.